Today in Standard 2 EVS we will do chapter 19 Sun, Moon, Sky and Star. Question is asked, have you observed the sky during daytime and at night? What do you see? List them in the space below. So whatever you can see in the daytime and whatever you can see in the night, during night you have to write. Okay, daytime what you see? Sun, cloud, sky. Then in night we can see moon, stars. Okay. So now when we get up in the morning, it is daytime. We always see the sun shining in the sky. When we go to bed, the sky is dark. It is night. We see the moon and many stars in the sky at night. The sun, the moon and the star are called heavenly bodies. So children, when you get up in the morning, you see it is daytime. Why? Because we can see sun is shining in the sky. We always see sun is shining in the sky in the morning. And when it is dark outside, the sky is dark, we go to bed. It is night. At night we see moon and many stars in the sky. This sun, moon and star are called as your heavenly bodies. So we will read about the sun first. The sun is a big hot ball of fire. It shines very bright during summer but is not very bright in winter. During the rainy season, when the sky is covered with clouds during the day, the sun cannot be seen. The sky appears dark grey on a cloudy day. So sun, if you will see a sun, how does it look like? It look like a big hot ball of fire. It shines very bright during summer and is not bright during the winter. As it is cold weather, you can see the sun. It does not look very bright. During the rainy season, when the sky is covered with cloud during the day, the sun cannot be seen. So in the rainy season, when the clouds are there, you cannot see the sun. The sky appears dark grey on a cloudy day. Because of the clouds, you can see the sky in dark grey in color. The sun gives us heat and light. This light is important for all living things, including plant. The sun, it gives us heat and light, and this light is very important for all the living things, including your plant, as plant make their food with the help of sunlight. The sun is surrounded by 8 planets which move around it. Earth is one of these 8 planets. Each planet has its satellites too. As planets go around the sun, satellites go around their planet. So this sun, it is surrounded by 8 planets. Can you see? It is given. Okay, this is your sun and these are your 8 planets. So this sun is surrounded by these 8 planets which move around the sun. And Earth is one of your 8 planets. Each planet has its own satellite. And this planet, as they go around the sun, the satellite go around the planet. The sun, along with its 8 planets, form the solar system. The sun and these 8 planets, that is your Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, they form the solar system. They form the solar system. Children, you have to remember the 8 planets' name. Okay. The moon. The moon can be seen in the sky at night. It is a natural satellite of Earth. Thus, the moon goes around the Earth. It takes 28 days to complete one such round. The moon does not have any light of its own. It can be seen because of the sunlight that falls on it. The moon you can see in the sky at night. It is a natural satellite of the Earth. This moon goes around, as the Earth goes around the sun, the moon goes around the Earth. It takes 28 days to complete one round around the Earth, to go around the Earth. The moon does not have any lights of its own. It can be seen because of the reflection of your sun. The sunlight, it falls on it, so we can see the moon. There is no air on the moon to breathe, so there is no life on it. So there is no air on the moon. Because of that, there is no life on it. Then come to the star. We can see many stars in the sky on a clear night. Stars are big ball of fire and have light of their own. The sun is also a star. The sun appears to be bigger because it is the closest to the earth. The other stars are very far away, so they appear to be very small. At night, we can see many stars in the sky on a clear night. These stars are big balls of fire and have their own light. The sun is also a star. It appears bigger because it is closest to the earth, but the other stars appear to be small because they are very far away from earth. So how does the sky appear in different seasons? Now we will read how does the sky appear in different seasons. As you know, there are three main seasons. They are summer, winter and monsoon. So the sky appears different in all these seasons. In summer, during summer season, the sky is clear in the day and the sun shines very bright. Even the night sky is clear and we can see moon and star. So during summer season, the sky is clear in the day and the sun shines very bright. And in night, you can see the moons and star. The moon and the star in the sky. Winter, in the winter season, the day sky is usually covered with fog and the sun is not so bright during the day. The sky is, however, clear at night and the moon and star are visible. In winter, usually the sky is covered with fog, so you cannot see the sun so bright during the day, but in the night you can see moon and star. They are visible in the clear sky. Monsoon, in the monsoon or rainy season, the sky is not very clear and appear grey in color. The sun is not visible when the sky is cloudy. At night, the moon is hidden behind the clouds and cannot be seen. Even the stars are not visible in such a condition. In monsoon or rainy season, we cannot see the some days we cannot see the sun. It is not visible because of the cloudy weather. At night, the moon is also hidden behind the cloud if it is cloudy, and stars also are not visible in such a condition. Okay, children, so in this chapter we learn about the sun, moon and star and how does the sky appear in different seasons. Thank you.